Hello beautiful people, thank you for joining me for another tutorial. This is the style we're gonna be doing today, and guess what, it is my birthday week, so send me some love by smashing that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and turn on that notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. So let's get started. This week I'm using the vanilla cream custard, K.I.T hair, and organic oil blend, all by Curls Dynasty. I'm starting off by wetting my hair and sectioning it off so that the rest of the hair doesn't get in the way. Then I'm going to use the organic oil blend, and after that I am going to use the vanilla custard and really work that in. Then I take a small section from the parting and I'm combining it with the K.I.T hair. How I'm starting this off is how you would start off a rope twist, but if you don't know how to do that, stay tuned because I'll show you a different way of doing it. The purpose of this is to have this secured to your scalp. Next, I'm gonna take a small section of my natural hair and combining it with the twist that we already started. And how you combine it is just by twisting it and twisting it. Careful not to add too much tension on your scalp. We want to add tension on the K.I.T hair with the natural hair, but not necessarily on your scalp. Then I kind of like twist it around a little bit to create this little pattern, like a squiggle type of pattern. If you don't want, you don't have to even twist it around. It just creates more of a round pattern for me. Or if you don't want to do that, you could just keep twisting and it would naturally like crinkle or curl up on its own. We want to continue to do this all the way until the end of the section. After that, I am going to use hairpin to help secure it in place, and then just leave the end how it is. And I'm going to show you what to do with that end, the loose end, at the end. Like after I complete all of my twist, I will show you how to style the rest of it. But make sure you use a nice clip, make sure you use a nice hairpin to secure it at the scalp. That is very important, that it's well secured and it's not gonna move. Keep twisting. This is the point where we are going to use the hairpin to secure it in place. See, this is what it looks like, and that's me using the hair clip the hairpin to pin it in. So this is the technique for those that don't know how to start a rope twist or K.I.T twist. All I did is just take a small section and pretty much combine it with the K.I.T hair. Just twist until it's tight on your scalp, but not too much tension. We just want it to be there to be secure so it doesn't move when we start doing the other twist. As you can see right here, it's just one section. Now take the other half and just hold it together with the part that's already tight on the scalp. Then take a small section of the natural hair, and then we're gonna combine it and twist. Twist and twist. Don't forget, we don't want a lot of tension on the scalp because it's gonna hurt you later, and not only that, it's not good for your scalp. And just keep twisting and round it out, and it will start to curl up and crinkle. And I'm gonna continue doing this until the end, so keep watching. that you see how it's done, I'm just gonna speed it up. Continue to watch it, and please give the video a thumbs up and share with your friends. Tell them about the channel. I appreciate all of your love and support as always. My hair twisting face is quite serious. Yeah, a lot of times I really close my eyes when I can't see where I'm twisting, because as I'm doing it, I am envisioning it in my mind, and I know that's a little weird maybe for some, but yeah, I see it happening, and I just use my hands to create what I want to create. That you don't get better teamwork than that. After I'm done with the front, I'm just using my water bottle to hydrate my hair. I'm spritzing the front and on the sides, getting my hair prepared for some more styling. I'm just gonna pick it out and make sure that it's not tangled. Then I'm going to use a Texture ID mousse. I love how this product makes my hair feel, and I love the way that it smells. So basically I'm just saturating my hair with it. Next, I am going to take my trusty barber's comb, and I'm just going to create a comb twist, a coil, using the finer end of the barber's comb. Now this may not be that easy for some to do on themselves, so what you can do is just use your fingers and just coil it with the products, and I'm just brushing it right there to just make it a little neater. Now with the loose end, all I'm doing is just doing a rope twist, a 2-strand twist, and then I'm going to pin it in place. Now you can style this however you like. What I'm doing here and then the final product, I completely changed it with the exception of the first front twist that I tucked down, like as you see me doing right here. Basically, I kept the front like that, but the remainder of the twist, I pretty much kind of rolled it into my hand after I twisted and then pin it down. That's what gives it that almost like floral type of look that you see in the finished product. So just keep twisting. You could play around with it and see what kind of pattern or design that you come up with. This is a really fun style. It can look retro, it can look futuristic, it can look I don't know, however, but you can do a lot of different style with the sides, with the loose end, and it looks cool. Voila, here's the final product, and here is me winking at you in slow motion. I'm just giving you a little bit of look and trying to show you what the final hairstyle looks like. And I'm just being, I guess, slightly dramatic and while I'm showing you, and I guess, oh, here I go. Okay, one more, I think. Oh, all right. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Mwah.